Hey there, YouTube. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tech insights and tutorials. Today, we have an exciting topic to dive into, Next.js. In this video, we'll explore how it works, key features, and provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to get started. So, let's jump right in. Before we dive into the details, let's understand what Next.js is all about. It is a powerful React framework that helps you build server-rendered React applications with ease. It combines the best of both worlds, providing a simple and intuitive development experience while maintaining excellent performance. Next.js comes packed with some amazing features that make it a popular choice among developers. Let's take a closer look at it. One of the standout features of this framework is server-side rendering, or SSR for short. With SSR, your web pages are rendered on the server and sent to the client as fully formed HTML. This means that when a user requests a page, they receive a complete HTML document, which is great for performance and search engine optimization. SSR allows your web pages to load quickly, as the initial rendering is done on the server, reducing the time spent waiting for the client-side JavaScript to load and execute. Next.js also offers static site generation, or SSG. With SSG, you can generate static HTML files for your pages at build time. This means that instead of generating the HTML on each request, it's pre-built and served as a static file. Static site generation is perfect for content-driven websites, blogs, and documentation sites, as it allows you to generate optimized HTML pages that can be cached and delivered to users instantly. Framework doesn't stop at server-side rendering and static site generation. It also supports client-side rendering, or CSR. This allows you to build interactive web applications where certain parts of the page are rendered on the client side using JavaScript. You can fetch and update data dynamically, providing a smooth and responsive user experience. File-based routing is another fantastic feature. Instead of configuring routes manually, you can simply create a new file in the page's directory, and Next.js will automatically generate the corresponding route. Also, you can easily define dynamic routes by using the bracket syntax in your page file names. This allows you to create dynamic pages that can handle various parameters or slugs in the URL, opening up possibilities for building dynamic and personalized web applications. This makes organizing your project and defining routes incredibly intuitive and easy. Next.js takes care of automatic code splitting, which means your JavaScript bundles are optimized and only load what's necessary for each page. This leads to faster load times and efficient resource utilization. Also, it provides built-in API routes that allow you to create serverless functions for handling API requests. With API routes, you can build your backend logic directly within your Next.js application, simplifying the development process and making it easier to maintain your codebase. By default, the framework uses SSR. However, it also allows you to opt for CSR, where the initial page load is minimal and the React components are rendered on the client side using JavaScript. You can choose between SSR and CSR for individual pages by using functions like getServerSideProps or getStaticProps. You can enable SSR, where the server renders the page. If you rely on client-side data fetching with libraries like UseEffect or SWR, the page will be rendered on the client side. Next.js gives you the flexibility to mix SSR and CSR within your application based on your specific requirements. You can select the rendering strategy that best suits each page's needs, optimizing for performance, user experience, and search engine visibility. Let's pay special attention to the next feature. In the framework, you can control how long a page is cached using various caching mechanisms provided by the Next.js. The caching options allow you to balance between performance and freshness of the content. The framework provides two main types of caching: static page generation caching. With SPG caching, Next.js generates static HTML pages at build time and serves them directly from a CDN. This caching mechanism is suitable for pages that do not require frequent updates. By default, the framework sets a long cache control header for static pages to maximize caching efficiency. However, you can customize the cache duration using the revalidate property. Server-side rendering caching, SSR caching, allows Next.js to cache the server-rendered pages on the server side. This caching mechanism is useful for dynamic pages that require frequent updates or personalized content. With SSR caching, you have more control over the caching duration. You can set cache headers explicitly in your server-side code to define how long the page should be cached. This can be achieved using the cache control HTTP header. For example, you can set cache control max age equals 3600 to cache the page for 1 hour. Now that we have a good understanding of framework and its key features, let's get started with our hands-on guide. Here are the steps you need to follow to begin your Next.js journey. To get started, you'll need Node.js installed on your machine. Once you have it, you can easily set up a new project by using the following command. After running the command, you can start the development server using the following command. Once you've built your Next.js application and you're ready to deploy it, you can use the following command. This will generate an optimized production build of your application that you can deploy to your preferred hosting platform. And there you have it. You now have a basic understanding of Next.js, its key features, and how to get started with it. Whether you're building a small personal website or a large-scale application, Framework provides you with the tools you need to create fast, SEO-friendly, and interactive web experiences. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow developers. Also, let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there are any other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.